Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all hail Biafra land. My name is Ugochi Andrea. My Biafra people, today I want to explain everyone once. When I begin to make these videos for my Biafra people, Biafra land, the freedom from Biafra, because my heart is for Biafra people. I am a native Brazil woman from Salvador, Bahia, Brazil. And I have many contact with Igbos, Nigerians, and Biafra people in Germany, everywhere. Now I am here in Italy, Napoli, and my Biafra people, what I see, pain my heart. I'm not happy what happened in my Biafra land. I have many contacts. I be in Nigeria 2019, and I'm not happy what I see. Killings, everybody die, suffer. My Biafra people suffer too much with Nigeria government. So God bless Biafra land, my Biafra people. Chikugoze Umam Biafra. Chikugozi Umam Biafra. My Biafra people. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is innocent. Innocent. Think about innocent man. Him fight for freedom of our people, our Biafra people. Freedom of expression. Please, Biko, we are not terrorist group. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, him do everything for us, for Biafra land. I beg, send it this message. Everyone, we need help. We need help that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get the freedom. Brazil, Germany, America, everyone, please send it this news. We need the freedom for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He is innocent. Please, I beg, my heart pain, see everything. Innocent man in the jail. Why? He's not terrorist. He just want the freedom from Biafra land. My Biafra people, all hail Biafra land, all hail Biafra land. God bless we all. He say, amen. Thank you very much. Stay safe. God protect all one.